Hello friends, welcome back to USN Mix channel. Today's topic is Samsung foldable smartphone will launch soon. And go to the website. The website report is usnmix.com. Samsung foldable smartphone will launch on 20th February 2019. Go to the detail of the report. The weight of Samsung foldable smartphone is finished. This launch may be on the date on the 20 February 2019. Samsung Galaxy S series smartphone is going to launch in the program organized on February 20 in San Francisco. Samsung's most anticipated Samsung Galaxy S10 is going to be launched on February 20 in San Francisco. Some media reports are claiming that in this event the company can launch the world's first foldable smartphone. And apart from 5G in tech world of 2019, tech lovers of foldable smartphones are eagerly waiting. Based on this, a teaser has been issued by the company on the basis of which such hope is being expressed. Samsung has not explicitly mentioned anything about the device, but it is assuming that Samsung will launch Galaxy F or Galaxy Flex with the Galaxy S10 on that day. The company had last year announced, Samsung is a Korean company, the Samsung Korean company has announced its plan to launch a foldable smartphone at the Samsung Developers Conference held in November last year. In the last year's event, the CEO of the Samsung mobile device, was quoted as saying that the company aims to provide at least 1 lakh foldable Galaxy smartphones, and the company can increase the production volumes of its foldable devices based on market support or market demand. And the battery, according to the report, the smartphone has 4400 megahertz battery. In it is being said that the phone will have 2200 megahertz of two batteries in the foldable smartphone. Earlier it was said that it can be given 6200 megahertz of the battery, but which will be the battery is 4400. It is true. The display, according to the report, there will be two screens in it. The primary display is 7.3 inches and the secondary display is 4.58 inches. Last year, when this phone was introduced at the developers conference, at that time the company had been told that users will be able to use 3 apps at the primary screen simultaneously. This features has been named multi-device window by the company. And the company has 10 GB RAM. The phone contains the 10 GB RAM. Samsung and other smartphone makers are trying to revive the slow demand of smartphones because users all over the world are waiting for more time to upgrade their devices. There is no mention on the specification of the foldable smartphone, through it can have top of the lines Snapdragon 855 processors, 10 GB RAM. So it contains 4400 megahertz battery, 7.3 inches and 4.5 inches to display, and 10 GB RAM. 4 Samsung models can be launched. It can be estimated that there may be also 5G antenna. According to the news report, Samsung can launch the 4 Galaxy S10 variants: regular S10, S10 Plus, S10e or S10 Lite, and S10 Special Edition. The Special Edition was seen on Samsung's pre-order page of the Philippines. Pre-order page says the Galaxy S10 will be made available in Philippines on March 15. It can cost up to 20 lakhs, approximately $1,770. Due to such high price of the phone, its limited sales have been estimated. So this is about the report of the coming smartphone, foldable smartphone, which can be launched on 20 February 2019. The picture of this phone is there is the when it is flat, and this is the foldable and this is the two part of this screen of this foldable smartphone, Samsung smartphone. So a foldable smartphone will launch on 20 February 2019. It will be coming in the market soon. Thank you. Thank you very much for watching the video, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe and make comments. Thank you.